Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we re-embarking on a vibrant journey into the heart of one of the world's oldest and most diverse civilizations. We're talking about India, a land where every corner tells a story. Every festival is a riot of color, and every tradition is steeped in profound meaning. So grab your chai, get comfortable, and let's dive deep into the incredible customs and traditions that make up the essence of India. First up, let's talk about the quintessential Indian greeting, Namaste. You've probably seen it, palms pressed together, a gentle bow of the head. But it's so much more than a simple hello. Namaste literally means the divine in me bows to the divine in you. It's a beautiful acknowledgement of the sacredness within each person, a sign of respect and humility that perfectly captures the spiritual undercurrent of Indian culture. It's a gesture that connects souls before hands even touch. Now, you can't talk about India without mentioning its families. The concept of the joint family, where multiple generations live together under one roof, has been the bedrock of Indian society for centuries. While modern life is changing things, the core values remain. Family isn't just about your parents and siblings. It's a sprawling network of uncles, aunts, cousins, and grandparents. This creates an incredible support system, a community where wisdom is passed down from elders and responsibilities are shared. It's a world where you're never truly alone. This deep respect for elders is a cornerstone of Indian etiquette. You'll often see younger people touching the feet of their elders, a gesture known as Karan Sparsh. This isn't a sign of subservience, but of immense respect and a request for blessings. It's a physical manifestation of gratitude for the wisdom, guidance, and love that elders provide. It's a powerful, humbling tradition that reinforces the bonds between generations and honors the journey of life. Let's move on to something that tantalizes the senses, Indian food. But here, even eating is a tradition. Historically, meals were eaten while sitting on the floor, a practice that aids digestion, and many people still eat with their hands. Why? It's believed that our fingers have nerve endings that, when they touch food, signal the stomach to prepare for digestion. It's a deeply sensory experience, connecting you directly with your meal. And let's not forget Atithi Devo Bhava, which means the guest is God. Hospitality is paramount. A guest in an Indian home is treated with the utmost care and is always offered food and drink, no matter the time of day. It's a beautiful expression of warmth and generosity. Of course, no exploration of India is complete without talking about its festivals. From the dazzling lights of Diwali, the festival of lights that symbolizes the victory of good over evil, to the playful chaos of Holi, the festival of colors that welcomes spring, each celebration is a spectacle of joy, community, and faith. These aren't just holidays. They are the lifeblood of the culture, moments when entire communities come together, forgetting their differences to celebrate life itself. Whether it's Durga Puja in Bengal or Onam in Kerala, each festival has a unique story, unique rituals, and unique flavors that paint a vivid picture of India's incredible diversity. And what about the attire? The vibrant sari, an unstitched drape of sheer elegance, is more than just clothing. It's a symbol of grace and identity with hundreds of ways to drape it, each style telling a different regional story. Then you have the colorful turbans in Rajasthan and Punjab, each fold in color signifying status, community, and occasion. Indian clothing is a canvas, expressing a rich tapestry of heritage and personal identity. Let's also touch upon the world of Indian performing arts. Classical dance forms like Bharatanatyam, Kathak, and Odissi are not just entertainment. They are forms of storytelling and devotion. Each gesture, every facial expression, and every intricate footstep is a language in itself, narrating ancient myths and epic tales. The music, with its complex ragas and talas, is designed to evoke specific emotions and even correspond to different times of the day. It's an art form that truly elevates the soul. Finally, let's talk about marriage. In India, marriage is often seen as a union not just of two individuals, but of two families. While arranged marriages are still common, the practice is evolving. Today, it's more of an assisted search, with families introducing potential partners, but the final decision resting with the couple. Indian weddings are grand, multi-day affairs filled with intricate rituals, music, dance, and feasting. Each ceremony, from the mehendi, henna application to the saptapadi, 7 steps around the sacred fire, is laden with symbolism, representing promises of love, commitment, and partnership for a lifetime. From a simple namaste to the grandeur of a wedding, every Indian tradition is a thread in a vast, intricate, and colorful tapestry. It's a culture that embraces contrasts where ancient rituals coexist with modern technology and deep-seated spiritual beliefs are woven into the fabric of everyday life. It's a living, breathing heritage that continues to evolve while holding firm to its roots. The essence of India isn't something you can just see or read about. It's something you have to experience. It's the warmth of its people, the richness of its history, and the profound spirit that connects everything. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey today. I hope it gave you a small glimpse into the soul of India. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. What's your favorite Indian tradition? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.